Defense Chair National Security.
Minista Aden Duale wa ugitiri wa bururi na murunawe wa ugitiri wa thiini Kithure Kindiki mekinyirie mbere ya giikaro kia hamwe gia kamiti cia mbunge ciĩgiĩ ugitiri wa bururi na maundu ma nanja. Nayo ugitiri wa thiini wa bururi niguo gũtarĩria itua rĩa gũtuma maabitha mbiraru birigiceni-inĩ ya kũng'ethanĩra na itoi cia wuici wa mahiu rũgongo rwa bururi.
Did I do what the law requires? Yes. I have, on the 13th of February, I have written to the Speaker of the National Assembly, and on the 17th of February, the National Assembly have replied, acknowledged to Defense Headquarters that they have received our communication, and they have transmitted to the chamber for tabling.
All the legal procedures were followed because we are bound by the Constitution as state officers to operate within the Constitution and to operate within the law.
Hĩndĩ ya gĩikaro gĩkĩ arĩa yamekorire haceke thutha wa mbunge arĩa mauma kamĩtĩ-inĩ no kũmakuruhania na kwagĩra gĩtĩo mbunge ya bũrũri rĩrĩa mahĩtũkirie itua rĩa gũtũma maabitha mbirarũ birigiceni-inĩ no mbere ya kũhoya rũtha kuma kũrĩ mbunge.
Because our army is trained very separately and differently from the way the police are trained. And that is why you need the approval of Parliament so that we are in concurrence. And all that you are telling us probably would have agreed with you. But you need to follow the law and bring it to Parliament for approval so that we agree with you.
The definition of emergency needs to be universal and agreeable because banditry has not just cropped up, it has been there. So you cannot say it is unforeseen. So we have to be convinced why it was an emergency, and personally, I don't feel convinced that it was an emergency.
The reason cannot be that we don't want the oversight role of Parliament. You know, that is trivial, it's misplaced, it's even unlawful to try to circumvent the oversight role of Parliament. The reason is, in this sector, you escalate measures based on the engagement you have and what you want to achieve.
Gatagatĩ-inĩ ka ndũgamano ĩno nĩ itua rĩa thirikari kũhũthĩra gĩcunjĩ kĩa watho kĩrĩa gĩtĩkĩrĩtie gũtũmwo kwa maabitha mbirarũ birigiceni-inĩ cia gũteithĩrĩria honge ingĩ cia ũgitĩri bũrũri-inĩ gũkũ Duale na Kindiki makiuga birigiceni ĩno ĩratongorio nĩ maabitha a borithi. Rĩrĩ maabitha mbirarũ maraheana ũteithio ũtiganĩte kũrĩ maabitha borithi noguo ti birigiceni ya kĩmbirarũ.
So are you already anticipating that B was wrong and B will fail? Are you anticipating that this will not work?
The emergency was going to restore peace, to restore order, to deal with issues that fall in C. And that is why you needed parliamentary approval.
We are in that theater assisting the National Police Service under the command of the Inspector General of Police to bring an end to banditry that has lived with us for many, many years.
The current type and mutation and the boldness of the terrorists qualifies it as an emergency under Article 241 of the Constitution, as read together with Section 33 of the Kenya Defence Forces Act number 25 of 2012.
Gũkinyĩria ũmũthĩ itoi 157 nĩcio irĩkĩtie gũikio ngono birigiceni-inĩ ĩno. Rĩrĩ ngari itiganĩte na iria irahũthĩragwo nĩ itoi icio nacio irĩkĩtie gũikio ngono ũndũ ũmwe na mĩcinga 45 kuma kũrĩ itoi ici. Ngĩribotera Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Mwaura wa Gunya.